This episode of Days of Glory Shopworks is going to be a little bit different. We're not just working on the gasser today. We've got the engine mock-up assembled. So that's my 440. I'm waiting on bearings and gaskets and a couple odds and ends to do a complete assembly, camshaft and whatnot. So we'll go over all that when it happens. But today we're going to mock up an accessory drive. So, you know, alternator, power steering, crank pulley. I'm not running power steering actually. So alternator, water pump, crankshaft. And I want to use a serpentine belt and an actual auto tensioner. I don't generally have really good luck with V-belts. And I like how the auto tensioner will, or the Serp belt's wider, it's got more gripping surface, yada yada yada. But I could just go and buy a kit from any number of resources, CBF, March, even Summit Racing sells a kit, you name it. But they get a little pricey, and I'm cheap. So looking at all the different types of engines and vehicles I've seen over the years, I've kind of amassed a whole pile of pulleys and whatnot and things, and I think I can make this thing work. And I'm going to try to make some magic happen. It might take a little while on this deal, but I'm pretty sure I can make something that's going to be happy, bolt-on, and user-friendly. So and repeatable. That's the best part, repeatable. So if a guy ever wants to do this again, he can. I may, since I got the engine out, I might fab up one for power steering as well, just to see, give myself some options for the future. Or if anybody out there wants a kit, we can definitely talk about what all it takes to do it. But I'm going to get started, so here goes, and wish me luck. I'm building a kit that you can make happen with the right parts. So there's not going to be any mystery to this. You're not going to have to get something obscure. It should be, knock on wood, readily available parts. Off the shelf, readily available parts. That's always been my goal in mechanicking, doing hot rodding, is off the shelf, readily available parts. Spacers. Almost dead center, and for such a wide belt, you can see where the original belt was running. If it runs over here, it's perfectly fine. So we can keep on going. Well, that's about as lined up as anything. So guys, here is where we're going to leave this video for now. Might not seem like much to you, but it gets a guy kind of where he needs to be. I have to readjust my belt tensioner. It's essentially not in a good location. This particular one won't tension up the belt the way I need it to. Plus, I got to look at different belt lengths. I want to get something that's at least close so I can carry on with placement of the tensioner. Anyway, hope this got your minds going. We're going to keep at it in the future here and revisit it. But my next step is probably going to be to put this beautiful, beautiful thing in that beautiful, beautiful thing. Alright, let's get her done.